So, if you are using Windows 11, you may want to also use the taskbar on top, left, or right corner. And it is pretty simple to do it. Search for Registry Editor, and open it. Copy the path in the description of this video, and paste it on the top bar of the Registry Editor window. Once there, double-click on Settings. Find the line containing 7A F 4 0 0 0 0 0 3. On that line, replace the 0, 3 value for 0, 0, if you want the taskbar on the left. 0, 1, if you want on top. And 0, 2, if you want it on the right. Keep in mind that, if you want to put again the taskbar on the bottom, you just need to come here again, and insert 0, 3. And that's it. To see the changes, just restart the Explorer. Go to the Task Manager. Find Explorer. And select Restart. Hope it helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.